Okay. So okay, so just a little bit of information. Sleep is actually linked to your lifespan. So they
Yeah.
can look at how many hours a person sleeps a night and determine how long they're going to live. So the more rest you get, the longer your lifespan is expected. The less rest you get, the shorter your lifespan is expected. And there's a lot of reasons for that. And I don't have time to go into every reason.
Hmm.
It's essential for life. And anybody that tells you that they can run on a little bit of sleep and be good, they're fooling themselves, really is what it is. They're
Absolutely.
just straight up fooling themselves. Hormones are produced at nighttime. Testosterone is a big one, especially for men. When you get older, you start losing your testosterone, but
Yeah.
a lot of that is because sometimes elderly people aren't sleeping as much in the nighttime, and that's also because they're not active during the daytime, so their rest is messed up. So then their hormones get messed up, and especially in men, they start losing things like testosterone, which we know that's what keeps your youthfulness, your muscles, and stuff
Yeah.
like that. So prioritizing that sleep is essential for your productivity during the day. There's actually even it's been proven when you sleep, your brain produces these types of wave like frequencies
Hmm.
actually wash your brain. It's like going through a car wash
Yeah.
with your car, but it's like your brain going through a car wash, and it's actually washing out all the toxic buildup from that day.
Okay. Okay.
But you have to get into certain levels of sleep in order for it to do that. And you have to have a certain amount of time for it to do that. 7 to 8 hours is what's recommended.
Yeah.
That toxic cleaning is what's shown to help reduce things like Alzheimer's, things like dementia.
Hmm.
So by prioritizing that sleep, you're reducing your risk of developing those things later on in life as you get older. You're also producing things like those hormones that are going to keep you feeling young, looking young, acting young. And there's a lot of other things that obviously we don't have time to get into right now.
But
And
I got you.
it sounds like there's some things that are out of your control. Okay. But if you were to identify maybe one or two things that are in your control,
Absolutely.
what would those one or two things be that you can maybe start to incorporate?